Konnichiwa. It's been a while since the last video, but vegetarian is back. So today we're making matcha banana cake. For those who are new here, we are vegetarian, and the vegetarian means the Japanese vegetarian. And through this channel, we want to provide some delicious vegetarian/vegan recipes. So let's get it.
Hey guys, I'm Yumi. I'm a new vegan. Today, I'm cooking banana cakes. Vegetarian, start!
Alright, so just like she said, we're making simple, easy, and of course, delicious matcha banana cake. So let's take a look at... Wait. Too fast. Let's take it slow. The ingredients are 2 bananas, 200 grams of cake flour, 10 grams of baking powder, 140 to 150 grams of soy milk, and 40 grams of rice oil. Matcha, 10 grams. Cacao nibs, also 10 grams. Mixed nuts, 60 grams. And maple syrup, 60 grams. Now we heat up the oven at 180 degrees. That's 356 Fahrenheit. Now let's slice them up and real nice so that we can enjoy the taste and the texture of bananas. You can go slow like this, or speed it up like this, or sing like this. Anyhow, just keep on chopping. Once we are done with chopping, now you want to crush the bananas until it's really crushed like mashed potato.
マッシャーがある人は別にマッシャーを使っちゃってもいいんだけど、これぐらい混ざったら次は液体を入れていきます。
Now we made bananas looking like mashed potatoes. We will add soy milk and start mixing. Just keep going with maple syrup as well. Do the exactly same thing. Just keep mixing. Now she's filtering the powder and putting them into the dough we just saw. Here comes the sexy powder. Now she's adding mixed nuts and cacao nibs.
美味しそうだね、もうすでに美味しそう。よいしょ。はい、じゃあこんな感じです。
Ooh, look at the beautiful green. Right now she's putting them into the pan, which is preferably 8 by 8 inches, and flatten them and do this. Don't you worry guys, she ain't mad. She just banged in the pan like this because by doing this for a couple of times, it releases the air inside of that dough. After that, go ahead and lay the banana slices on top of it and use your design senses.
はい、じゃあオーブンで焼きたいと思います。
So after putting into the oven, let's wait for 35 minutes. Gotta be patient. Alright, so looks like our matcha banana cake dough is cooked and baked real nice and it's ready to be shown to the world.
できました。はい、というわけで今回は、簡単にもうすごく簡単にできるバナナケーキということでご紹介させていただいたんですけれども、バナナが熟してしまったものが余った時にはぜひとも試していただきたいのと、で今回私は抹茶とナッツ、そしてカカオニブっていうのを中に具材として入れたんだけれども、別に抹茶なければ入れなくてもいいし、カカオパウダーとかにも変えてもいいと思うし、でこの見た目的なすごい今日綺麗にバナナ並べちゃったけど、 お店っぽくもししたければ結構上の方に最後トッピングでナッツとかしてあげるとちょっとお店っぽく見えると思います。ちょっとね、おうち時間楽しむためにもぜひ皆さんケーキ作り試してみてください。いただきます。おいしい。